Welcome everyone, today we are going to try out and review SocialPilot. So just click the link down in the description below to get to this page. So the first thing we need to do is click pricing. I'm going to show you why SocialPilot is my favorite. First of all, there is a lot of options, but the smallest one is $42 per month. You might think that's a lot, but actually that's not a lot. First of all, if you click the link down in the description below, you get 14-day free trial, so that's kind of cool. And with this you can manage 25 social media accounts, so that's a lot. 3 users and unlimited client. Obviously this is beautiful. So obviously we have a lot of features to go through, so let's go back to the first page and click start your free trial. Obviously I'm gonna go with the small theme, so just get a free 14-day trial. Don't worry, you don't have to type in your credit card or anything. Just click it. And now I'm gonna log in and sign up. You do the same. And we meet at the dashboard. And here we are. This is how the dashboard is gonna look for you. As you can see, if we hover over here, we have a lot of stuff to do. First, the dashboard is gonna look much more full to you, but for me, this is just empty. This is where you could connect your account. And as you can see, we have a lot of stuff to connect. Almost every important social media is here. So you can just click connect profile and you can connect right away. And as you know, 25 accounts is a lot, so you're not gonna be having a problem with that. Okay, but let's go to the next thing. This is where we can write posts. If we click it, we can create posts, even the calendar, so we can see and schedule up multiple things. As you can see, we can go back pretty far. Basically, if I would want, I could click here and create a post right now. Alright, the next thing is the accounts. Obviously, we can connect accounts here or the dashboard. Alright, the groups are obviously, if you have more clients, you can group them up and make more sense, make a system out of them, so that's kind of cool. This is how you would do it, right? So you just type in the group name and the description what this group is for, and then just click save. Obviously we can manage them too. If you would have here a lot of stuff, if you would have a lot of groups here, you can easily manage them here. Then there are ads. Obviously you can connect your ad account, Google Ads or something else, anything really, and you can manage them. You can boost popular posts to get even more engagement, so that's a lot of stuff here. And then we come to the analytics. Obviously this is more like in-depth, so if you want to see, let's say, an Instagram, you can easily connect the page and see a lot of analytics here. You can even download it or email it, so that's kind of cool. Alright, so here you can check the inbox either for Facebook or Instagram if something's up or with the client or something scheduling needs done. Then we have team and client, where you can add team members or you can invite the client, so you don't even need to ask them for username or password. So it's very useful, and you can manage them here as well. So obviously this was a fast just talking through the features. If you are interested, in my opinion, this is one of the best social media manager out there. So you know, it's one of the best. Obviously it has a price after 14 days, but it's well worth it. If this is your work, it's even worth much more, because you already know it takes a lot of time to just manage one social media account. So multiple, yeah, that's a lot of work, but not here, luckily. Just click the link down in the description below and you can easily just get 14-day trial and try that for yourself. If you feel like this is nice, then just upgrade and you can easily manage a lot more. Alright, that's it for the review. I see you around. Peace out.